guys, it's Alicia. Now today I'm back with another easy, delicious recipe. Today I'm going to be making stuffed peppers. Now stuffed peppers are kind of a traditional recipe, but I make mine just a little bit different. I like to use ground turkey instead of ground beef, and I also like to add tomatoes, corn, and black beans to mine. The result is a colorful, healthy, delicious meal that comes together in minutes. So let me show you how I make my stuffed peppers. Okay, so what you're gonna need to make this is some peppers. You can use any color you want. I've just got green, and all I have left is 5. The filling I'm gonna make is actually gonna make enough for more than 5, but this is all I've got. And then you're gonna need a can of black beans, can of corn, can of tomatoes, 1 pound of ground turkey, about 2 cups of brown rice, about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. You can use any type you want. I'm just using Colby Jack. A bunch of green onions, some minced garlic, and for seasoning I'm going to be using a tablespoon of ground cumin and a tablespoon of chili powder. You'll also need some olive oil or vegetable oil to brown your turkey in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut up your peppers. Now I'm just going to be cutting them right in half. And I've already washed all these, so just like that. And then you're going to want to remove all the seeds and all of the membrane. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in some boiling water for about 5 minutes, just so they start to soften up. And over here I have a large pan set to medium-high heat with about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put my turkey in here and start cooking this while I'm waiting on my peppers. Okay, these have been boiling about 5 minutes, so now I'm gonna just take them out and stick them on a paper towel to dry. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little pepper to this. If you wanna add salt, you can. We try not to add any additional salt to anything. And you want to just cook this until it's browned. So now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the minced garlic to it, and then I'm going to just cook that for about another minute or so. And at this point you want to turn on your oven and preheat it to 400 degrees. It's been about a minute. Now I'm going to add my seasoning, my corn, tomatoes, black beans, and I went ahead and rinsed these, green onion, and my cooked rice. And I'm just going to stir this up real well. And now I'm going to add about half the cheese and mix that all up. Okay, and now that is ready to go in the peppers. So here I have a 13x9 pan, and I'm gonna just spritz it with a little olive oil. And then I'm gonna take my peppers and I'm gonna just lay them in here. And now I'm gonna take my mixture and I'm gonna just fill each one of these. I've got them all filled, and I did end up with quite a bit left of the filling, as you can see there, which is fine. I knew I would. That filling really will do almost twice as many as these peppers, but that's all I had, and the filling is actually really good all by itself, so we'll just eat it all by itself. So anyway, now what you do is you put these in your preheated oven for 20 minutes uncovered. All right, these have been cooking for 20 minutes and I've taken them out, and now what I'm going to do is sprinkle them with a little bit of cheese, and then I'm going to put them back in the oven for probably about 5 minutes, maybe 10, until the cheese is melted. I left them in for just about 5 minutes and they are done. This stuffed pepper recipe is easy, delicious, and actually pretty healthy for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.